How you can make money on YouTube with AI influencers for tutorial. Imagine scrolling through your social media and stumbling upon an influencer who never sleeps, never eats, and never gets tired of creating content. For example, that one or this one, as you can see here, we have a lot of followers, over 300K of followers. And as you can see here, we have a various pictures and likes, comments. This is an AI influencer. I mean, it doesn't exist, and you can use it to earn money. Dive into the world of AI influencers, where virtual personalities are redefining the roles of social media marketing and raking in cash like never before. This is the power of AI influencers. You don't have to show your face, you don't have to do the voiceover, you don't have even to write the script. A lot of influencers earns millions of dollars. In this video, I'll show you how to create one and how to earn money with it. So first step you need to start your video on YouTube using AI influencer is creating your AI character. But don't worry, you don't have to create it because we have here Hygiene is an AI based tool that can be utilized or used to generate AI characters. So all you have to do is open your web browser and type hygiene.com. As you can see here, we have a lot of options just to get more information about the website, user cases, features, resources, company, and here we have two options if you want to get started, so you can choose the one you like or the one you want. So if we scroll down over here, you will find a lot of informations about the AI characters. So you can also find avatars or AI character. As you can see, various characters, AI character. So you can just read this page and you will get more information about the website. So all you have to do to get started, you can just click as I said, on the one you want. Then you can enter your email, your verification code, and you will answer for a few questions. Then you will finish your inscription or your signing up. After finishing your sign up, you can or it will lead you to this home page. Let's come back to the home page. So this is the home page. This is the recent creation. Then you will get to hygiene learning kit guide. So this is a guide if you want to learn about AI Studio, how it's work, or video avatar, or AI voice, or video translation. So there's a lot of information you can get over here to get started, or you can just use templates. Here we have a lot of or a various templates that you can start with, and here we have avatars. So to dive to avatars, you can just click over here, video avatar, and you will select or click on studio avatar, and as you can see, various avatar appear. So you can choose the one you like or the one suits your content, on the one you love to use it on your video. So here we have female, male, so it depends on the one you want. So for example, here we have this three dot if you want to edit avatar, and if you want to get avatar ID, and here if you want to start. So let's choose, for example, that one. Let's select the first one, landscape, and as you can see here, we have a lot of options that you can use to edit your video. So here we have the AI character if you want to put it on the left or on the right or on the middle. And here we have animation if you want to use effects on enter or effects on leave. So you can choose the one you want, and you can also add um, script. So you can just delete that one and you can write the script you want, or you can just use ChatGPT to help you write your script, or you can translate all scripts. So you can uh, after finishing the script, you can move to another one and add another one, the same thing. So you can add a lot of scripts. And here, if you want add pause section, or if you want to add recording, if you want to upload audio. So for the voice, you can click over here and you will select which voice you want. So here we have the languages, which language you want on your voice, and the gender. As you can see, here we have a male AI character, and also age, child voice, youth voice, middle age voice, older voice, and also function, pausing supported, adjustable speed, adjustable pitch. So there's a lot of options that can help you to adjust your voice. So here we have, if you want a natural voice, explainer voice, ads voice, audiobooks for e-learning, narration games. So there's a various type of voices, so you can choose the one suits you more, and then you will select it for your video. So all you have to do is, after finishing the edit of your video, or after finishing editing for your video, you can just click on submit and you can download your video, and then your video will be ready to publish it on your channel. So there's a lot of idea you can use. You can use it for this or with this AI character. So you can just start with affiliate marketing through platforms like impact.com offers affiliates flexibility in terms of how they promote products or services, allowing them to work independently. By promoting products or services through affiliate partnerships, affiliates can earn commissions on sales generated through the referrals links. So here we have a lot of brands. You can you choose one and then you will promote their product, then you will earn your commission using this AI character. Or you can just create simply a video guide using an AI influencer. Can be an engaging and innovative way to educate your audience by starting on defining your topic. For example, choose a specific topic that you want to create a video guide about. This could be anything from an introduction or to artificial intelligence to a deep dive into a specific AI application or technology. Or you can then you will move to scripting, so you can write a script for your video guide, and you can for or you can use ChatGPT to help you, including explanation, examples, or in and any demonstration. So you plan to include. Make sure the language is clear and conscious, suitable for both your target audience and AI influencer. So this is it, guys, for this video. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again on the next video.